Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In today's video, we are going to learn Pandas, one of the most powerful Python libraries for data analysis, data cleaning, working with tables, machine learning datasets, etc. So Pandas make handling data easy, fast and efficient, just like Excel but 100 times more powerful. So let's start this. So firstly we'll start with the simplest, create a data frame. So firstly we have to import the library and now we can create the data frame. And this will convert the data into data frame. And at last we'll print the data frame. And now we'll see the output of this. A data frame is like an Excel table with rows and columns. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is select a column. So create the data frame for this. So this is the data frame for name and marks, and at last we'll print the marks. And now we'll see the output of this. So here you can see the output of this. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is filter rows. So here we'll create the same data frame. So this is the same data frame. And now we'll select the rows for highest marks. So we'll print the marks which are greater than 80. And now let's see the output of this. So here we can see the marks which are greater than 80. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is add a new column. So firstly we'll import the library and now we'll add a new column in this. And then we'll print the data frame. So here we can see the output. It added a new column to the database. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is get basic statistics. So we'll see what is the basic statistics for this. Let's see the output. So here we can see the basic statistics. It's mean, standard deviation, minimum 25%, 50%, 75% and the maximum. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is sort data in a data frame. So here we have taken the same data frame. So this will print the sort data in a data frame. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the sorted output. So sort values lets you sort row by any column, ascending or descending. Great for ranking, leaderboard or analysis. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is drop a column. So here we'll take a new data frame. So this is for name, age, and at last we'll create this for marks. So this is the data frame and we'll drop the age one. And now we'll see the output of this. So drop is used to remove unnecessary column, which is very helpful when cleaning the data. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see it dropped the age data. So you learned how to create data frame, read CSV files, filter data, add column, delete column and sort them and get statistics. So Pandas is the heart of data analysis and machine learning. So mastering it is very essential. If you want more tutorials like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, so comment below. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.